So what happens is that we create some icons, we call them tags, and they have a signal within them. And when you stare at that, your eye responds to it in a particular way. The way in which that eye response occurs is a signal that we pick up on the visual cortex of the brain at the back of the brain. So the sensor is looking for the signals we create here that come through the eyeball, through the brain, and then onto the visual cortex. Once we've got it there as a signal, we can grab that, we understand what that signal looks like, and we can turn that into a command for whatever we're trying to control. There's multiple places where we think this technology can be applied, perhaps in, I don't know, driving or commanding unmanned ground vehicles or unmanned naval vessels, perhaps providing menu selection and control within a control room environment, maybe in a nuclear power station. All those kind of things are perhaps in the bailiwick of this technology.